Hi YouTube, my name is João Ratola, but you can call me by Ratola. I'm from Portugal and I'm the guy behind the Monolith video. I did it with the help of a few friends. The reason why I'm doing this presentation video earlier than I thought is because the Monolith has been stolen or taken away by the authorities. I'm not sure. The idea was, when I released the video, was to put the Monolith up and have random people find the Monolith, but because it was hidden in the middle of the woods while I was editing the video, and preparing everything on my side, someone must have found it and taken it away or stole it, but it's hard to imagine who took it, because the thing was in the middle of the woods. You had to walk for kilometers. The thing was heavy. It was really heavy. It was like 70 kilos. It was 3 meters tall. So there's no way one person could have found it and then taken. It must have been more than one person. And yeah, I wish you guys could have seen the Monolith, because it looked really cool. It looked really mysterious in that location, in that spot. And yeah. It was, as I asked specifically, to be as original as the Monolith that was the first one that was found in the Utah. I asked specifically to be as similar, from how tall it was, from the materials, to how large it was, and yeah, now it's gone. The Monolith/treasure hunt is a marketing campaign. It's for my new drone project. The original idea was to present or create a viral drone show video with the Monolith, because it would look even more mysterious and futuristic, as a lot of people still don't know about this technology. It's just amazing what you can do with this kind of drones. Is like fireworks 2.0, but because it's a new technology, it's still quite expensive. It is not something also you can do on your own. You need a good group of people, and I'm not rich, so I needed to do a cheaper version. So the cheaper version of this viral video that I was trying to create was to have the Monolith video and the 3 enigmas, which I released already, and have the actual Monolith physically there on that location, so that both random people that just stumbled upon the Monolith and people that were following the YouTube videos would be able to find the Monolith and see the plaque that was there attached to the Monolith, that had a binary code, and that binary code had the instructions and further coordinates of the other place you need to go in order to find the treasure. The solution I found for this problem, if you still want to complete the Monolith/treasure hunt and win 500 euros, is for you guys to send me a message through Instagram or through YouTube, or even leave on the comments on YouTube videos with the coordinates of where you think the Monolith was. If you get it right by a 3-kilometer radius, I will reply to you with the coordinates of the plaque with the binary code. So there won't be any Monolith. There will just be the plaque that was going to be attached to it. And you'll still have to go on an adventure, find the plaque, and once you have the plaque, you'll have the instructions to go to another place and find your treasure and win your cash prize and a few more silly stuff. And it shouldn't be that hard now. If you just go to, I've already told you I'm from Portugal, and if you go to my Instagram, you'll see where I am from Portugal exactly. So it will be around that area. And obviously, I know this is really unfair for the people that don't live in Portugal or near Lisbon, but there's only so much I can do right now. Maybe in the future, if I have more resources, I can do this sort of experiment in other countries so more people can participate. But yeah, for now, I'm a bit limited. If you could subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram page, it will mean a lot to me. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 followers on Instagram. On YouTube, I'm going to be releasing different types of videos. I'm going to be releasing like chill and music videos with drone footage. I will be releasing vlogs, like behind the scenes, where you can see more silly stuff, like me and my friends trying to hide the monolith in the woods, and more boring drone stock footage as well. And on Instagram, I just send mostly pictures where you can buy my wall art and more random videos. Tomorrow I will release a more chillin' music video, which will try to show Portugal's desert landscape. Next week I will release my the first vlog, the first behind the scenes, and then I have a couple of more videos. And yeah, thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoy my future videos, my Instagram, and good luck to anyone that participates on the Monolith treasure hunt. And yeah, pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much.